You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Hello and welcome back. Today, we're exploring the unique challenges of the transfer of residency process in the UK and how to navigate them effectively. First, let's talk about timing, because timing is crucial. Your belongings must arrive within 6 months before or after your move. Missing this window could cost you TOR benefits, so work closely with your moving company to ensure proper timing. Second, digital application process. The TOR application is fully digital, but poorly labeled files or unclear scans will cause you delay. Use really clear file names, such as John Doe Packing List PDF. This will help for easy processing. And third, custom restrictions. Certain items are excluded. Some examples are alcohol and tobacco, luxury goods, or brand new items in original packaging. Let me share with you a real life story. Tom's shipment arrived before his planned move due to a work delay. Since his goods fell outside the approved window, he lost his TOR eligibility and he had to pay over £2,000 in custom fees. Tom's relocation budget and forced him to cut costs in other areas. In addition to the financial burden, the situation caused delays in settling into his new home. This added to the stress of an already challenging transition. Tom's story highlights the importance of carefully coordinating shipment and arrival dates to make sure you stay within TOR's strict timelines. Understanding these challenges can save you money and stress. That's it for this episode. Next time, we're going to bust some common myths about TOR. So see you then. Are you ready to plan your move? Well, you can trust SDC International Shipping, the international movers that families across all 50 states rely on for stress-free transitions. As a full-service international moving company, we handle everything from packing to shipping, so you can rest easy knowing your belongings are in the best hands. Visit our site now to get started on your journey.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.